Hello everybody, I want to give you a short overview over digital dentures. In my laboratory I'm actually not a fan of this kind of work, but you cannot stop it. So I have to report, because most of the time it keeps handwork, and that's good. I want to show you an example for this crown, which we use just temporary. Now we cut the construction which was needed to build up in the digital way of producing to print out this crown. You see, you have to take care of your fingers. But where is the profit out of digital manufacturing? Of course, you get the higher price because the world is calling for digital manufacturing. So it's a good argument to sell. But is it all? No. It is really a coming thing. For example, you have crowns in the front, the upper front teeth, 6 front teeth, and your patient is not sure what kind of style he or she wants to have. So you can construct on the screen different styles. You can make different lengths of the teeth, how they stand to each other, how the structure for the teeth it is. So therefore you have 3 or more possibilities, and you can try inside of the mouth so the person can see direct, and then she can choose, she can say what she like, what she don't like, and you are able to make it by your hands in a really perfect way. Isn't it fantastic? Even fantastic is the artwork which is following now, to make the painting, the shades, you put the glaze on it, you get a really nice shining after light growing. For me the shine, it's not good enough, it's not really natural, it's too much. So I make a hand polishing for every crown, even now if it's just a temporary one. I believe this work and this shine, you can even test it. Great, it's looking beautiful, isn't it? In this stage of the work, it's still very sensitive, so you have to take care not to get a crack, maybe if it's falling down. Because it's just artificial material, there's no metal which is giving me strong, but it's looking very nice.